Hi, I want to talk to you about the way to export your patterns. So once you're happy with your logo placement and everything you have right here on your screen, you can go for the Garment Properties panel. And when you scroll down, there's the pattern section. Once you open that with the drop down, you have Export Pattern. Click that. And here you can choose, you can change the name if you need. There's the format, you can go between PDF or DXF. DXF is more for fashion softwares, so I assume that we want to go for the PDF right now. You can choose if you want to include seam allowance for the sewing, and then if you want to include or exclude your logo, I would leave them on for now, of course, and I'll hit export. Once I hit export, then I've got this PDF ready for me that I can send out with all the instruction. And also what I can do, I can open Illustrator and then I can click File, Open, choose that PDF and continue working on my design and instruction from here in case you need it. So I'll go back to Author and I hope you enjoyed that quick tip.